Hello friends, my startup name is transforming a desktop milling machine into multifunctional system. Myself Dr. Robin Thakur, I am working as an associate professor in School of Core Engineering, Shulini University, Solan, Himachal Pradesh. I have a team of 4 members which includes Mr. Manu Saraswat, Dr. Rajkumar and Mr. Mallikarjun Matnoor, who helps me in creating this prototype and the software part. Our innovation mainly helps our students, hobbyists and small makers who cannot afford in the big CNC machines. As it is compact, low cost and modular, it helps them in doing prototypes and machining without any big investments. As the education and maker market is growing very rapidly in India and globally, low-cost machines for learning and innovations are in great demand. It will give our students and the small makers an affordable access towards an advanced CNC and wall printing concept which helps them in education, technology and businesses.